Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. It's day 13 of my 30-day garden transformation challenge, and I'm going to be honest with you. I really didn't feel like working in the garden today. I didn't feel like pulling weeds, I didn't feel like deadheading, and I definitely didn't feel like tackling a big garden project. But I think this is exactly why I wanted to do this challenge in the first place. It's easy to show up when you're motivated and excited. The harder part is showing up on days when you're tired, busy, or simply don't feel like it. So today I'm keeping things short and sweet. I'm putting my garden boots on, getting outside, completing my daily routine, and tackling one focused task. And that's enough, because this challenge isn't about having a perfect, productive garden day every single day. It's about consistency. It's about showing up and doing what I can do with the time and energy I have today. So with that in mind, let me get started with my daily routine. I watered my plant stash, then decided to work on this area by my gazebo. I pulled a few weeds, then moved on to deadheading. I decided to take out these overgrown Stormburst Superbena for my deadheading task today. They were suffocating this poor American ginkgo and needed either to be cut way back or go. In their place, I decided to plant some Cat's Pajamas Nepeta. It'll stay low enough to grow under the young ginkgo, and I think look really pretty on this slope. Now, the only problem is though, as I'm looking back on this footage, I really don't like the placement that I put them. I think I need one more closer to the Gomphrena, so I'll make note of that for my routine for tomorrow. I also need to mulch this area, but I knew that just wasn't getting done today. Last thing for my daily routine was fertilizing. I used my hose to knock off some of the cobwebs from this Chandler Monterey cypress. Then I fertilized the other annuals with water-soluble fertilizer. All this took me less than 1 hour, and even though I wasn't feeling it today, I felt good about what I accomplished. Hi everyone, Janie here. Welcome back to my garden. Welcome to day 13 of my 30-day garden transformation challenge. This is what Jason and I are working on today, and I have to be honest, I do not want to do this today. Do you want to? Is this what you want to do today?
It's not what I want to be doing right now.
This is not what we want to do. And it's not even really a part of the garden, so it's kind of a stretch, but I have been... So this is our metal workshop where we store all our garden stuff, and it just, every once in a while, it becomes a disaster. And then I spend so much time looking for my garden supplies because I don't put them back.
Can't find anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I take the blame. It's my fault.
I mean, I do the same thing.
You do. You've left a lot of stuff out.
It just gets worse and worse.
I know. So Jason and I have committed 30 minutes. We're going to set a timer for 30 minutes, and we're going to try and clean this area as much as we possibly can. If you guys are wondering about the chariot, because yeah, I know that's kind of funny to have a chariot in our garage. For the girls' elementary school, for 6th grade graduation, they have a chariot race, which is very, very cute. And it's really hard to find a chariot, so we found a chariot, and we have been storing it in our garage for 2 years now.
Yeah, we used it for 1 year.
We used it for Sadie.
And then we had to wait 2 years to use it for Shay.
Yeah. Anyway, so we have a chariot stored in our garage. We have a chicken brooder in our garage. We have a bunch of garbage. We have an empty cat litter. We just have stuff. We just have a whole bunch of stuff that we have to clean up. So I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Jason was nice and agreed to do this with me today. You didn't want to. I don't want to either.
Yeah.
But let's get it done. Let's be
All right.
positive and let's get it done. Okay, let's see, 30 minutes. My phone is dirty. 30 minutes, let's go. I mean, the good thing is pretty much everything has a place.
Yeah.
We just need to put it back in its place.
Actually, we're good.
Where do you want to put all the gravel glue? Oh, I'll put it in here.
kind of that weather, even though it probably won't actually rain.
Time's up.
Not bad. I'd almost call that done.
Almost.
I mean,
It's an improvement, let's say.
looks a lot better.
It does look a lot better. All right, that was 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Not bad.
it's like 85% better.
Yeah, I would agree. And I think if we had committed to doing any longer than 30 minutes, both you and I would have backed out. Okay, I would have backed out.
Oh, you mean back out of starting in the first
Yeah.
place? Oh, yeah.
Been like, no, let's do something else,
Yeah.
or something like that.
No, this was manageable.
That's why I like the timer technique. I do that for the girls when they don't want to clean the kitchen. And like, just do it for 10 minutes. That's all you have to do is 10 minutes. So anyway, let me show you guys kind of what we did. Just kind of pick up stuff. Probably the biggest thing was vacuum all the leaves and the dust and the dirt that come in here, because I leave this open all the time because I'm coming in and out, and then everything blows in.
Yep.
But I don't think that's going to change.
No. Nothing that, on a windy day, if it's open, it's just going to get dirty.
Yeah. We've got a full garbage can over here just with stuff that just needed to get out of here. Got the Chariot back where it needs to go. We, somebody else, another group of girls that were in 6th grade this year, they used the Chariot for this year, and they like paint it, and they did, I think, fat unicorns. I think that was their theme. I'm not sure. I think they're supposed to be fat unicorns.
It's supposed to be fat unicorns?
So.
That's cool. Is that a thing? Fat unicorns?
I have no
As opposed
idea.
to just standard unicorns?
I have no idea. So, anyway, it's very, very cute. I don't know what theme Shay's going to choose for her 6th grade. I guess she has a year to think about it. Anyway, so lots of work over here. I tend to come over here all the time because this is kind of our charging area for all of our tools, like the blower and the drill and all that kind of stuff. So I use this area a lot. So I made sure I cleaned up all the cobwebs from that area. We had just a whole bunch of trash. This table is the most useful table, huh?
Yeah.
I don't ever want to take this table out of here.
I know. It's a fairly well-made, sturdy table.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And I don't care about getting it dirty.
Right. No, it's
so
not, you don't have to treat it nicely at all.
Yeah.
But it's going to last forever.
yeah. So this was here when we moved in. This was actually over there when we moved in, and then we moved it into the middle, which I think was a great idea. We put shelves up over there when we organized the whole workshop. Honestly, we've done a lot to this workshop. It's really,
It's a lot different than when we moved in.
and it's useful for us. There's still some things that we can fix, but we hung all the tools on the wall over here. Inside here, we have like pest control type of stuff. This is all of our fertilizer that I've somewhat labeled it. And then this area over here is my tools that I use most of the time. It's like my most used tools, and they all have an area to go, and because it's just the easiest for me to come in, grab it really fast, and take it out. We got to get rid of those tree stakes. Or can we reuse these?
No, they're broken.
These.
I've tried. It's almost impossible to get them to go back in the ground because there's no point on it. So it's just like you pound and pound, and they just don't go anywhere.
How do you dispose
I don't
of?
know. Probably just the dump.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right. Well,
But they're not pressure treated or anything, so I think they could just go in the standard landfill.
are you sure they're not pressure treated?
Pretty sure. I mean, they rot super easily, so
That's true.
they don't have any signs of being pressure treated.
We got to look into it. Definitely got to look into it. Oh, I've had a couple questions about my pink gloves. This one's dirty, but you guys asked me what type of gloves these are that I wear all the time. They're called, oh my gosh, what are they called? Hesta? I thought they had a tag on it. Never mind. Oh, here we go. Hestra Job. That's the name of these gloves. And I just really like them. They're really easy to put on and off. You guys see me wearing them all the time. And I ended up getting like 5 pairs for this year. And then when I'm done, I put them in there to wash them. But I ended up getting like 5 pairs for this year. And it's been really, really useful.
Yeah.
You don't have particular gloves you like, right? Or do
No, they all wear out. It doesn't matter what I do.
Yeah.
All of them wear out. They're either too, I don't know, I just haven't found good ones. Either the tight-fitting ones wear out quick, and then the leather ones, they get holes in them.
They get holes in them too.
Yeah,
I feel like just as fast as the other ones. So I think just find ones that
I've
are.
never tried to buy expensive ones, but I feel like it would be a waste,
Yeah. I did want to point out all of our gravel glue. We have quite a bit of gravel glue. Why do we have so much gravel glue, Jason?
I may have overbought a little bit, but no, I didn't want to have too little, and I knew we were going to use it again.
Yeah.
I used at least that many jugs to do what we've done already.
Oh, you have?
Oh yeah.
This year.
This
These
year.
are concentrate, you guys.
Those are all concentrate, yeah.
Yeah.
So I've probably used, that's what, 6? I've probably used 5 or 6 already. And so, in 6 months or a year, when we do it again, then we'll have it. It's not a big deal. It's not like it's going to go bad. I mean, I think I got a discount for buying a bunch or something. I forget. But
Yeah.
I just didn't want to have too little and have to reorder halfway through.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but it's fine.
Yeah.
We'll use it next year.
And then I, of course, have a ton of Proven Winners fertilizer because they send that to me, which is great. Did you empty out that box?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the box
That's everything, yeah.
that was just sent. Okay. So I am very lucky. I have never-ending supply of fertilizer, which is fantastic. Great. And then I also wanted to say this is our cement mixer that we got for doing the greenhouse. And I think we're going to sell it, right?
Yeah. I mean, it was just the same price as renting it anyway at the time.
Yeah.
I think we figured out.
Yeah, it
right?
was. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it made sense to buy it, but then we're probably not going to use it again.
Yeah, so I'll probably put that on Facebook Marketplace, and then that will give us a lot more space for over there. So anyway, for 30 minutes,
Yeah, not bad.
I think we did great. I need to go to Home Depot today, though, to get paint and a couple other things. What was the other thing?
Like a
Oh,
valve for the...
The irrigation stuff, yeah.
valve, yeah.
Anyway, we're going to Home Depot. What's that thing from? I don't know if we'll have time. What movie is that from?
From Old School.
Old School, that's it. Such a funny Will Ferrell movie. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.
Bye.